stop what you are doing right now. Over 10 billion has been liquidated in last 2 months, and 95% of all the recent buyers are trapped underwater right now. We went from the high of 126k in just 60 days to 82k. This 1.2 trillion disaster isn't just coincidence. It is the result of institutional betrayal. But listen, stop before you sell all of your portfolio. Your biggest mistake will be confusing this chaos for something else. The real question is, out of 3 historical bear market, the 2018, 2020 and 2022, which type of bear market we are in right now, and how do we prepare to defend our capital and accumulate more? This answer changes absolutely everything. You cannot fight the market without knowing the enemy. To survive this crash, we have to look into the previous 3 Bitcoin collapse that happened before, because the cause of the crash will tell us how long the pain will last. Out of 3 type of bear market, the first one is type A, the flash bear. Think of this COVID crash in 2020 that was sudden and extremely shock driven by external liquidity, where everyone just sold crypto to get cash for the short-term survival. Type B, the crypto winter. That's a long and agonizing bleed. It may lead to 80 to 85% of the collapse. This is 2019 and 2018's ICO collapse, driven by bursting of ICO hype bubble and regulatory failure. Type C, structural bear. This is driven by global debt and fraud. The perfect example is FTX collapse in November 2022, caused by the collapse of a centralized exchange called FTX. But the 2025 crash is entirely different. It is too fast for winter, but too structural for the flash crash. This is hybrid short-term capitulation. Let's hit the data. We have 3 facts that will prove the entire narrative is wrong and how to tackle. Fact 1, the speed of sell-off. The 2018 bear market took around 5 months to just drop 35%, but this one, it just took 6 weeks. That is 3 to 5 times faster. This extreme speed proves it is a leverage flash out. Think of it like a flash flood. It means market is cleaning the margin debts, not selling the long-term convention. It is quick and violent, and once the flood water runs off, the damage is done. The fact 2, the institutional smoking gun. We are not guessing who is actually started this fire. The transaction data show exactly who's to blame. The whales are abandoning the ship. US spot ETF show a massive outflow around 3.79 billion only by this month. The same institutions, along with the miners and exchanges, are selling their clients into fear. But the danger isn't over. There is a ticking bomb under the market. The over leveraged crypto borrowers, they could trigger additional 3 to 4 billion selling if price drop further. That should be the second massive liquidation event of this year. Okay, deep breath. Now for the good stuff, we will talk about the fact 3, the on-chain lifeline. This is your secret weapon against all the panic. Let's simplify this data. STH SOPR is at 0.97 and NUPL is dropping towards the hope to fear zone. That is the market's pain gauge. It means the short-term speculators are selling at lows right now. But look closer, the long-term whales, the ones who know the cycle, are still holding tight, and the price is sitting on the bedrock. The Bitcoin is currently defending the true market mean price, the 82k. This is the market's true cost basis point price, and there is another one, easy lifeline, the 200-week moving average, the historical flawless entry point in all the bear markets, that is still holding strong. We actually classified the bear markets. This is hybrid short-term capitulation. This is a violent purge designed to transfer the wealth. The solution is simple. We don't fear the data. We just follow the smart money. That's our playbook. While we are panicking, MicroStrategy publicly announced they acquired an additional 8,178 BTC for 836 million in this month. The largest holders of Bitcoin is buying the floor right now while you capitulate. And remember, while While public ETFs are settling, the global banks are quietly accumulating that in the background. So your action plan should be converting that fear into conviction. We hold and we do the dollar cost averaging and we watch the key levels. Hey, remember, you just survived 1.2 trillion purge in months because you listen to the data and not the drama. The crash is the ultimate test, but the data is the answer. If you want to keep winning in this cycle and get the market updates you can trust, you need to join the convention school. Hit the subscribe button right now. Stay safe and manage your risk, and remember the motto: the price of admission is always paid in panic. See you in the next one.